In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player in Jump Force Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a versus battle in Jump Force on Xbox One or any other platform. The game features offline battles, so you will be able to play against your friend on the same console sharing the same screen. All that you have to do is connect an additional controller to your console. So gather an additional Xbox controller and plug it into your console. This can be done using a cable or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. Just follow the instructions and make sure that you get the controller set up accordingly. Now, once the controller has been detected by the Xbox One, you will be able to launch Jump Force. And what you have to do to set up a two-player versus mode battle is to find this counter on the lobby. So you have to go over to this specific location with the blue lights above. When you go over to this location on the lobby, you will be able to find the offline battle NPC. So interact with this NPC and you will be able to choose the option to initiate an offline battle. So you can choose P1 versus P2, aka player 1 versus player 2. Just select this option and you will be able to do a two-player battle in Jump Force on your Xbox One. Immediately upon selecting P1 versus P2, you will be able to customize the battle rules. So the option to use the character level, set up the amount of rounds, and the time limit. Confirm this and you will proceed forward to the screen where all players can choose their characters. So each of you will be able to select your characters independently. And once this is done, the host, aka player 1, can go ahead and start the match once both of you are ready. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, and you will be able to set up offline battles this way. You will just need an additional controller connected, and as long as it is recognized, you will be able to play against your friend. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Jump Force Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.